Hi guys, so today we're going to be solving this question. So this question basically just wants us to solve this integral by partial fraction. The reason why we're using partial fraction is because the numerator and the denominator have the same degree. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to divide this. So we're going to do 3x2 plus 5x minus 2 divided by 3x squared plus 18x plus 3. Now 3x squared into 3x squared is 1. 1 times everything here, that'll be 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. That will give us 13x plus 5. And the formula for division is quotient plus remainder over divisor. So the quotient in this case is 1. Our remainder is 13x plus 5. And the divisor is 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. I've gotten our division. Now we're simply going to take the partial fraction of this. Then I'm going to factor the denominator, which is this. I'm going to use the old fashioned way. I will find a value. I'm just going to write it here. Find two values that will add to give you 5x plus 5x, and those same two values should also be able to give you 3 times 2. That'll be 6x squared. So find two values that can give you that. That will be 6x and minus 1x. Multiply it gives you 6x squared. 6x minus x gives you 5x. You are simply going to group it, which should be 3x, x plus 2, minus 1, x plus 2, giving us 3x minus 1 and x plus 2. Now moving on to setting up the partial fraction, it will be 3x plus 5 over 3x minus 1 and x plus 2 equals to a over 3x minus 1, the first denominator, plus the second denominator, x plus 2. Now we're simply going to just take the LCM, which will be 3x minus 1 and x plus 2, just the multiplication of the both of them. This divided by this, that should leave you with x plus 2. So therefore x plus 2 will now multiply a, so it will be a x plus 2. We do the same thing for b. This denominator divided by x plus 2, the remainder will be multiplied with b. So it will be plus b times 3x minus 1 equals to 13x plus 5 over the denominator. Now you notice that the denominators can. Now as you can see, 3x minus 1 can cancel this 3x minus 1 if you take it to this position, leaving you with only 13x plus 5 equals to a x plus 2 plus b 3x minus 1. We're going to open this. This will leave us with, we're going to open this equation, so we'll just multiply a into this, so it will be this, and then we're simply going to do this for b as well, so it will be 3bx minus b is equals to 13x plus 5. Let's collect like terms, so it will be a plus 3b x plus 2a minus b. I'm just going to equate coefficients. You see, this has a coefficient of x and this also has a coefficient of x, so we're going to equate their values. Plus 13, and this is a constant, this is a constant, so we're going to equate their values. Now simply going to make substitute the formula here, so it'll be b equals to 2a minus 5, and then here we're going to substitute in b, so it will be a plus 3 2a minus 5 equals to 13. If you evaluate, it's going to get 7a equals to 28, so a is going to be equals to 4. You can substitute a as 4 here, so it's b equals to 2 times 4 times 2 8 is minus 5 3, so b is 3. Now we can just put it back into the equation. So the equation was now be 4 over 3x minus 1, sorry, 1 is written funny, plus 3 over x plus 2. Now that we have gotten the coefficients for the partial fraction a and b, the integral now becomes 1 plus this and this. Remember the initial equation had 1 plus, let me show you at this point. So we're simply just going to integrate this now to get our final answer with respect to dx. Whenever you want to integrate things that are adding up, integrate them individually. So 1 dx plus integration of 4 over 3x minus 1. So integration of 1 dx is simply x. Integration of 4 over 3x minus 1, a bit tricky, let me show you. That'll be going to do you're going to use substitution. Once you see a function in the function, just use substitution method in the case of integration. The first function is 3x minus 1, and then the second function that it is a reciprocal, so 4 over the function, so that's the function in the function. Let's say let u be equals to 3x minus 1, du is going to be equals to 3 dx because with respect to dx is going to be equals to du over 3. And now we're going to substitute back in the equation to be 4 over u du over 3. These are both constants, so we're going to take them out. That'll be 4 over 3. It leaves us with 1 over u. Integral of 1 over u is ln u. It's going to be ln u. And u in this case is was 3x minus 1. So this is the answer. And then for the integral of 3x plus 2 is going to be the same thing. If you say let u be equals to x plus 2, du is going to be equals to 1 dx. Dx equals to du. So we're just going to substitute with 3 over u du. So it's going to be 3 in u. In this case, u is x plus 2. So our final answer will be integral of this, which is x plus integral of this, which we found to be 4 over 3. Then, sorry, ln is supposed to be written with absolute symbol because there's nothing like you can't take the negative ln of a number. Plus the last one was integral of 3 over x plus 2 dx, which we got as plus 3 then x plus 2. Yes, so this is the final answer. Thank you for listening. Hope you understood anything to understand. Do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. Thank you, loves.